Hello and welcome to this week's craft. This week we're going to be making a king frog that bounces. We're going to give you 4 long strips of green paper, 1 short strip of green paper, an oval strip of green paper, a clover, 2 feet, hands, and googly eyes. What you're going to need are a ruler, scissor, marker, pencil, and glue stick. First, let's go ahead and line up all of the 4 long green slips of paper. We're going to fold them in half, and then we're going to glue them all in the middle, but we're going to be placing them across and diagonal. After you've placed them all down, go ahead and glue the ends of all of them and stick them in the middle like this. After you've done that correctly, it should look like a ball. Now go ahead and place the ball to the side, because now we're going to be using the smaller piece of green paper and a ruler. You are going to make the mark at 5 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and 12 centimeters. You're going to be using the roller to then fold the piece of paper on those marks. Now that you have them folded correctly, go ahead and try to make a triangle. It should look something like this. Now with the face, take the oval shaped piece of paper and put a smiley face. Then go ahead and glue down the folded piece of paper that you used for the triangle. Fold it back into that triangle. And then place it in the back of the head, and then the top of the ball. Now you have the main body. Next, we're going to go ahead and start on the crown. Glue the crown and go ahead and place it on the back of the frog's head. Should look something like this. Next, we're going to get the googly eyes, peel them off, and just put it on his face. Now with the feet, go ahead and glue them where they start. Then place one on top of the other and put it directly under the ball and press down so that they stick. And now onto his necklace. Go ahead, take the clover piece of paper, cut out the middle, and then slide it on his neck so that it's a necklace. And there you go. You got your king frog. Thanks for watching.